Welcome to our channel, where we unlock the secrets to buying a house with no money down and turn your homeownership dreams into reality. Welcome to our channel, where we unlock the secrets to buying a house with no money down and turn your homeownership dreams into reality. Buying a house might seem impossible without a large savings account, but today we will break down the step-by-step process to help you secure a home with little to no money down. Step 1. Understand your credit score. Your credit score plays a vital role in qualifying for loans with no down payment. Check your credit report and rectify any errors to improve your chances. Step 2. Research zero down payment loan programs. Various government-backed programs like USDA loans, VA loans, and some FHA options allow buyers to purchase homes without a down payment. Each has specific eligibility criteria including location, military service, and income limits. Step 3. Get pre-approved for a mortgage. Contact lenders experienced in zero down payment loans to get pre-approved. This shows sellers you're serious and helps you understand what you can afford. Step 4. Find homes that qualify. Focus your search on properties that meet the requirements of these programs. For example, USDA loans require the home to be in a designated rural area. Step 5. Consider down payment assistance programs. Local nonprofits and state agencies often offer grants or forgivable loans to cover down payments and closing costs. Step 6. Negotiate seller concessions. Work with your real estate agent to ask the seller to cover closing costs or offer credits, reducing the upfront money you need. Step 7. Prepare all required documentation. Gather pay stubs, tax returns, bank statements, and any additional paperwork lenders request to streamline the approval process. Step 8. Close on your new home. On closing day, review all documents carefully and understand your loan terms. Remember, the goal is to minimize your out-of-pocket expenses while securing ownership. Buying a home with no money down requires patience, research, and professional guidance, but is achievable with the right strategy. Don't let lack of savings stop you from exploring this exciting path to homeownership. Thank you for joining us in this step-by-step walkthrough on how to buy a house with no money down. And be sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more valuable real estate tips and strategies.